Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie. This is not a reaction video. I will react because it's music, and that's the whole point of music, isn't it? It gets an emotional response from you. This is more kind of Hedgie recommends kind of thing, because I do know this band and I do know this song. This is a band called Mustasch from Sweden, and it's spelt, I assume, the Swedish way. It's not spelt the English way, but Mustasch is clearly Swedish for moustache. This is a song called Double Nature. Mustasch is just a band I love. So it's, like I say, it's not so much a reaction, more of a recommendation. So I won't be surprised. Though I haven't seen this video, so I don't actually know what this video is about. I know the song, never seen the video, whatever. Anyway, let's see what we get. This guy's got such a great metal voice. Said it wouldn't be a reaction. I didn't expect that. What a great metal voice. It's just heavy metal, isn't it? It's not pretentious. It's just. What this video's about, I have no idea. It's just so listenable. This, all of their music is, their albums are just fantastic. And they're not afraid of using some violins. What up, boys? absolutely no idea whatsoever what the video was about. And I realise people are very culturally sensitive these days, but they're clearly just having some fun with some old movies. So I don't feel like they were insulting anybody. Hopefully you agree. Great band, fantastic musicianship, but without being fancy. That's the thing. They use it to do what they do well, which is it's just rock. It's kind of metal at the rock and roll end of metal. He's got a great metal voice, but he's not doing the death metal Cookie Monster, is he, or anything like that. He's just got this great, powerful, gruff voice that sounds like he smokes 40 cigarettes a day and gargles whiskey, with his breakfast. Cornflakes and whiskey kind of thing. I don't know. He could live on watercress for all I know. I haven't a clue. But Mustasch is a band I discovered years and years ago when I was sent one of their CDs to review. I used to do reviews for an online magazine, and I remember getting it and thinking, Mustasch, what on earth am I getting? Mustasch, what kind of name is that for a band? And it was just brilliant. It was brilliant. It was an EP. And since then I've been hooked, and I mean this is like 2007 I'm talking about now, and since then I've been hooked, and I've got all their albums, and I just enjoy it. I don't have to think about it. I'm thinking about it now, but I don't have to think about it when I'm listening to it. I can just enjoy it. I don't have to concentrate. It's not like Dream Theater where you have to pay attention, or it's not like death metal where you're kind of pushed along kind of thing. This is just good rock and roll stroke heavy metal, a really hard edge to it, but very listenable, and just excellent. Have I said enough that how much I like these guys? So if you liked that song, you will like Mustasch. So I thoroughly recommend them. So obviously this isn't a reaction video. I never intended this channel to be all reaction videos. I might even talk about books and films one day, whatever. But I think there's a lot of bands that I don't think get the recognition they deserve, so I will do these videos that's like things I recommend, is what it is. So if you enjoyed this, good. Feel free to subscribe, and you'll get some more recommendations down the road. But send me a comment, send me things for me to check out. Recommend me things. Anyway, okay. Thanks very much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.